Welcome to Hooray Tutorials Vocabulary Practice. Our topic today is employment. The word is delegation, which is a noun. Pronunciation delegation, which means a body of delegates or representatives. For example, a large delegation was sent to the meeting. The next word is recruit. Phonetics recruit, which means to enlist someone in the armed forces. For example, cruise ship operators recruit individuals from around the world. The next word is termination. Noun, pronunciation termination. The act of terminating something or the fact of being terminated. For example, the law protects against unfair contract termination. The next word is employability. Noun. It could be pronounced as employability or employability, which means the quality of being suitable for paid work. For example, enhancing student employability is a key priority for higher education. The next word is management. Noun, pronunciation management, which means a body to control things or people at work. For example, the management should provide support to its employees. Thank you. Stay tuned in for more.